In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. This allows users to grow their personal brand by providing access to professional tools like audience insights, post-performance analytics, and monetization opportunities. To do this, simply head to Facebook. Onto your menus page, tap on your profile name. You will want to tap onto these three dots right here. Now onto the profile settings page, scroll down onto this option of Turn on Professional Mode. Tap on Turn On. Your profile will automatically turn to professional mode. This mode is especially beneficial for creators, influencers, and professionals seeking to expand their reach and explore revenue opportunities through features like in-stream ads or bonuses. Well, that's how easy it is to enable professional mode on Facebook. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.